Welcome back. As a stormy monsoon session of the parliament continues, the opposition has now renewed the north-south divide row. First, Congress MP Karti Chidambaram drew a parallel between Kanwad Yatras in north and south and questioned why they were marred by violence in the north, and then other reactions came in as well. Let's first show you that post put out by Karti Chidambaram, which led to a face-off and controversy. This is that post by Karti Chidambaram. And he says, and I quote, "Why is there so much tension and violence breakouts in the Kanvadiya's Yatra, but all Kanvadi Yathirais are peaceful in Tamil Nadu?" Now, this led to a controversy that if Karti Chidambaram, through this tweet, is trying to divide north and south. And then more reactions came in. Not just this post by Karti Chidambaram, but Karnataka's Deputy Chief Minister's brother, D.K. Suresh, also added fuel to fire. Speaking on the budget and taxes, he said that if injustice continues, then any demand may surface, and said it wasn't him, but the people of the south that were voicing the demand. Listen in.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ವಿಭಜನೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈ ದೇಶದ ಜನ, ಈ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಭಾರತದ ಜನ ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮುಂದೊಂದು ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರದ ಅನ್ಯಾಯಗಳು ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮುಂದುವರಿತು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೂಗಿ ಎದೊಳಬಹುದು. ಹಿಂದೆ ತಮಿಳುನಾಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳಬೇಕಾಗ್ಬೋದು. ಅದರಲ್ಲೇನು ಇದರಲ್ಲೇನು ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಭಿಕ್ಷೆ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ತೆರಿಗೆ ಹಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಕ್ಕು. ಈಗ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಸುಧಾರಣೆ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ GST ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. ಏನಿದೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್? ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಇಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು.